Most life plans fail, not because people aren't smart, but because they follow a broken system. And if you're using it too, you're setting yourself up to fail without even knowing it. You write down goals, you feel motivated, and for a few days you're on fire, but then life hits. You slip once, then twice, and before you know it, you're back where you started. Same habits, same patterns, same frustration. Why? Because most life plans are built like wish lists. They rely on hope, not systems. And that's the trap. They feel productive, but produce nothing. Here's what no one tells you. A life plan that works doesn't start with what you want. It starts with what you're willing to do when you don't want to. That changes everything. Here's the one plan that actually works. It's built on 3 cold truths most people avoid. Truth number 1, you will get bored. Motivation fades, so instead of chasing hype, build boring systems that work even on your worst days. Example, I'll write 100 words every day at 9 a.m., no matter what. Small, specific, automatic. Truth number 2, you will want to quit. So write down this line. When I feel like quitting, I will take a walk, rewatch my why video, or message my accountability buddy. You have to pre-decide your response before the storm hits. Truth number 3, you will forget. That's why you build anchors. Tie your plan to something you already do. For example, after brushing my teeth, I review my top 3 priorities. Or before my morning coffee, I schedule my most important task. This isn't motivation, it's engineering. Most life plans fail because they expect you to be perfect. The one that never fails, it expects you to be human, and it plans for it. So don't just make a plan that survives real life. If this hit home, do one thing. Write down one action you'll repeat daily for the next 7 days. Then anchor it, automate it, and watch your life change, quietly but permanently.